students, welcome back to the English class. Today we will going to learn new chapter. Today's chapter is chapter 11, Festivals and National Celebrations. Festivals bring happiness, joy and color to our lives. Festivals are larger than life celebrations of various things. They occur at regular intervals and help in breaking the monotony of life. Furthermore, they give you the chance to celebrate the little and big things in life. We celebrate types of festivals. They are religious festivals, and national festivals. Let us learn about religious festivals.
Some of the most prominent religious festivals are Diwali, Eid, Gurpurab, and Christmas. Let us learn more about religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights celebrated by Hindus. On Diwali, people light up their homes with diyas, candles, and bulbs at night. Some people burn sparklers. They pray to Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity. And Diwali festival morally signify the victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, hope over despair, good over evil. Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. They pray in mosques, wear new clothes, and cook good food. They greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Let us learn about Gurpurab. Gurpurab is celebrated by Sikhs to remember the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. Sikhs go to Gurudwaras to pray on this day. They feed the poor and they sit together for a community meal called Langar. Let us learn about Christmas. Christians celebrate 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. They go to the church and pray. They exchange gifts and decorate the Christmas trees. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring gifts. Days celebrated by all Indians. National festivals. Some special days are celebrated by all Indians. They are Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Let us learn about Independence Day. Before we became independent, the British ruled our country for almost 200 years. 15th August 1947 was the day when our country became free from British rule. That's why it is celebrated every year as Independence Day. Let us learn about Republic Day. Earlier, different kings ruled different parts of India. Now, we are not ruled by kings anymore. The people of India choose their own government. This system of government is called a republic. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic. Therefore, we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi ji is known as the father of the nation. He was a very important leader who helped our nation to achieve freedom from foreign rule. We celebrate his birthday 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Children, what we learned from this lesson? Let us revise once. Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights. Eid is celebrated by Muslims after the holy month of Ramzan. Gurpurab is a Sikh festival which marks the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. Christians celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ on 25th December. There are some days celebrated by all Indians: Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti.